this is a new step, do not forget to change the text. This tomato and basil soup makes a great winter dinner and can be enjoyed the next day for lunch. Tomato and basil are the quintessential Italian flavors, perfect for cold days when you want a low-calorie meal full of flavor. Ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, 3 medium white potatoes, 1 medium sweet potato, 6 medium large tomatoes, 2 large handfuls basil leaves, water as needed, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: peel and cut the garlic cloves into halves. Next, peel and chop the potatoes. You can also peel the tomatoes or chop them without peeling them. Sauté the garlic in 1 tablespoon olive oil, and slowly add the potatoes and tomatoes. After adding all the potatoes and tomatoes, add the basil. Next, season with salt and pepper and pour enough water to cover the ingredients. Set the timer and let the vegetables simmer for 50 minutes to 1 hour. At that point, your minestrone soup will be ready to be enjoyed. While the soup cools down, toast your crostini bread in a pan on both sides and serve along with a large bowl of soup. Don't forget to drizzle a great quality olive oil like this one. Buon Appetito!